I've been using this AI tool called InfoApp, and honestly, it's been a game changer for email specifically. So whether you're in sales or just buried in messages, it does help you summarize faster, reply smarter, and actually save time. My favorite part is that it gives you clean, confident responses that sound just like you. No fluff, no stress, perfect for business. And today, I want you to meet the guy behind it. His name's Frank. He's super smart, he's down to earth, and actually building something that reflects and fits how real teams work. So I jumped on a call with him to get the inside scoop and have him show us how it all works. Let's dive in.
What is InfoApp?
Sure. It's a sales team productivity tool. It's meant to save salespeople time so they have more time for their customer instead of various menial tasks.
And who is it for?
It's for sales teams as well as sales reps. Again, it's really to help them be able to do the various different tasks that management requires them to do. So therefore, they have more time for the customer.
What is the best outcome possible for a user of InfoApp?
It's really saving time. I mean, I save well over 2 hours a day by using the product. We have other customers that, just on meetings, they're saving something like 40 minutes. We have case studies on that. It's really just saving them time. Again, being able to allocate more time toward revenue type of activities versus, stuff that never closes or brings in a deal.